Pets and septic systems. What you need to know. Once installed, you hope never to meet your septic system again, except for scheduled maintenance routines. But remember that bone your dog lost last year? Well, he found it, and the septic system. And that cat litter you flushed is now becoming an issue in the septic tank. Pets and septic systems bring their own sets of rules and potential problems. Pets and septic systems. What do pet hair, cat litter, dog shampoo, and digging have in common? None of them mix with septic systems. But that doesn't mean pets and septic systems don't mix. It just means you have to be aware of the potential problems. Digging. Digging can hurt your septic system and your dog. If they dig too deep, they can easily access your drain field. Not only does this disrupt your septic system's ability to process waste successfully, but it also exposes your dog to waste before fully treated. While dogs are renowned for handling and eating waste, this is a bit too much. If you are unable to train your dog to stop digging, consider putting up a fence or mesh around your septic system and drain field to keep your dog away. Pet shampoo and bathing. While good enough and sensitive enough for your pets, it may not be suitable for your septic system. Chemicals and harsh cleaners have no place in your septic tank, including some pet shampoos. Look for pet shampoos that are septic safe and chemical free. If unavailable, wash your pets outside and away from your septic system. Pet hair. Like human hair, pet hair can quickly clog up a system, wreaking havoc and causing backups. This means using a hair stopper or drain strainer when giving your dog their monthly bath. Cat litter. It's easy to see why people started flushing cat waste down the drain. But after sitting in cat litter, cat poop petrifies, becoming solid, cement-like as it works its way through your septic system. The bacteria in your septic tank will be hard-pressed to break it down. Additionally, cat waste contains bacteria that your system has not met yet, further disrupting the delicate balance of the required bacteria in your septic tank. Like flushable wipes, beware of flushable cat litter. Remember, your septic system is designed to handle and process human waste, nothing else. Pets and septic systems don't have to be an issue. All it takes is some knowledge and rules, and they get along great. Have questions? Contact Advanced Septic Services of Florida at 352-242-6100.